Uba Preston Tensong, uba kami iaka tenat korbari ke jela, ulong bak Sorkar jela bak Sorkar pedang, kikwa ban beteng iaka Jingiakren esok bak kenhun keng atiar, kahnyau terap National Liberation Council HNLC. Bat mentah kinang ap ban yo iaka jing aiktian jong ke HNLC, nambar nabaki Nongialam kibah Hakhmat kim 41 setia bane shimbenta hag Jingialang bane keren esok. Ulong balapha ban let phai shwa yaki rengkat kejing kerpat ba anda kilalong kibala krea. Bagian ai kejing pentip kam tam haba ke Sorkar jela bat Sorkar pedeng kinang ap ban don biang kejing ekren. Uba Preston tensong uong ba keledon tang sisian kejing ekren ba kinong elam kibam de kibah Hakhmat Kumta ha kejing elang kabaar ne kabalai kinong elam kibah klie kidei bane don lang bat ansawat kilat klenti ban le halor kino kikam kible ekren ha kamiet.
From the state government and the central government, we are very, very firm. We are very, very determined to continue the talk with the HNLC, and we are still waiting now the communication from their side, because since the top leaders still could not participate in the meeting, so we have sent back or the members of the HNLC and then with a request, and our request is when they are ready, please let us know. State government and central government is open and we are waiting for the next talk. When the talk starts, because right now the talk officially has started only once and you knew it, and that also not only with the second rank leadership. We requested that in the second and the third meeting, the top ranking people should be there, talk, and whatever issues you have, sit down across the table. Then we will come out to any kind of solution, whatever issues are there.